Hello, boys and girls. I'm Sister Jackson.
And I'm Sister Vasquez.
And today we want to do a singing time with you. I'll be singing, and we'll be singing Popcorn Popping.
And I'll do the action so you can follow along.
Here we go. I looked out the window and what did I see? Popcorn popping on the apricot tree. Spring had brought me such a nice surprise. Blossoms popping right before my eyes. I could take an armful and make a treat. A popcorn ball that would smell so sweet. It wasn't really so, but it seemed to me. Popcorn popping on the apricot tree. We hope you enjoyed and that you can sing along.